Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest opportunities and career tips. So, if you're looking for a business analyst role in Amazon, then this update is for you because Amazon is hiring for business analyst into their global finance solution team in Bengaluru. So, let's quickly go through the details of the job, including the role details about Amazon, the company, and how you can apply along with the responsibility sections for this opportunity. So let's understand a little bit about the Amazon before going into the deep into the responsibilities and the skills required. So the Amazon is one of the world's largest tech and e-commerce companies you all guys might be knowing, and it is known for data-driven decision making. This role is part of global finance solution, which handles the finance analytics, reporting, budgeting, forecasting, and automation for global Amazon finance teams. The role is a business analyst is level 4. You'll be working closely with finance teams, BI engineers, and business stakeholders to build analytics and dashboards that support finance operations and decision making. So this is a non-technical program plus analytics role. So it's a kind of mix of technical and non-technical role with a strong data exposure. Plus, you'll also be interacting with the stakeholders. So it's a mix of data tech and non-tech role. So now let's understand about the location and the info about the job. So this job is based out of Bengaluru, and the team in which you'll be working is Global Finance Solution, and it's a full-time opportunity with great exposure into the team and even the great global exposure as well. So now let's dive deep into the responsibility sections for this particular role. So, as a business analyst at Amazon, your roles and responsibilities will sound somewhat like analyzing large finance and business data sets, along with identifying trends, gaps, and improvements opportunities. This will be creating reports, dashboards, forecasts, working on automation standardization projects, defining metrics, and tracking the business performances, along with translating your business requirements into the analytic solutions with the help of the insights or the trends that you would be finding out and trying to present it in with the stakeholders with the useful solutions or the desired solution, I would say. Plus, you will also be communicating with the insights clearly with the stakeholder, as I already mentioned that you will be explaining them or the that kind of delivering the work or communicating the insights with the stakeholders and the company leaders. So these all are going to be your kind of responsibilities at Amazon as business analyst. So now let's get into the basic qualification as they have mentioned. So to be eligible for this role, you must have at least 1 year experience into working in Excel, Pivot, Power Pivot, basics of VBA, SQL, Python. Along with that, you should also have the experience using data to drive business decisions, plus strong stakeholder communication skill as well. You must also have the ability to work with ambiguous or messy data because the data set in Amazon is going to be huge because they have a huge customer base. So that is one reason. And they have also mentioned some of the preferred skills as you can see over here. So if you have the experience creating required documents, large scale data driven analysis exposure, plus strong presentation and storytelling skills, along with ability to work in a fast paced environment, then you will be given preferences over the others. So these all are going to be their preferred qualification for this opportunity. And now let's understand who and all should apply. So this role is ideal for the people who is looking for business analyst role, data analyst role, or finance analyst role. Anyone candidate with 1 to 3 years of experience in analytics or reporting can apply for this opportunity. So if you enjoy working with data plus business, this role is a great fit for you. Don't wait, go check it out. We have mentioned the direct link for this job into the description. Check it out and apply as soon as possible before it gets expired. And yeah, if this job helped you, just do us a favor, like this video or subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates, and comment Amazon Business Analyst BA, or you can just comment Amazon BA so that more analytics people would be able to access this job. So that's it for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.